Welcome to Phoenix Wright, passive-aggressive attorney.
With your main protagonist, Iffy.
He is totally our main protagonist.
And deuteragonist, Matt.
This is
one
it.
side character named Rob.
Yeah, you will both suck. Anyway, this is it. Judgment Day. Today, things are gonna get settled at last. A lot of things. Ah! What's the big idea, Maya?
Sorry, Nick. I only touched your shoulder. I guess the shock hasn't worn off my run-in with the stun gun yesterday.
Wait, what?
Anyhow,
in the last
today's
episode,
the last day of the
Iffy.
trial.
In
Good
the
luck,
last,
Nick.
in the last episode, Iffy, we decided to be complete clever clogs, and we decided to show the letter that we found to Von Karma after proving that he wrote it. So when we showed it to Von Karma, he whipped out a stun gun and tased both of us and stole it.
But no, fucking, I don't even know why he showed this to him.
Yeah, thanks, Maya. Edgeworth is looking glum as always. I hope Von Karma doesn't push him too hard. Whoa! What are you doing?
Sorry, I'm sorry. I just thought I'd cheer you up with a pat on the back.
Maya, maybe you should go outside and discharge.
Right. Good idea.
Try not to electrocute anyone on your way out. Oh yeah, pal.
Wait, pal, that's Gumshoe.
Yeah, it is.
What's gotten into that group?
About 600,000 volts. Detective Gumshoe.
Morning, Mr. Edgeworth.
Good morning. How'd it go, Detective?
Have no fear. As promised, I've captured our runaway caretaker.
Oh shit, he actually did it.
I beat the shit. I cuffed him. I just brought him in, took a neck pal. I'm wheezing.
Thanks, Detective Gumshoe. You must be tired.
Actually, after that shock I got on the way in, I feel pretty good.
Yogi says he's forgotten his own name, but that has to be a lie. Why would he want revenge on Edgeworth if he couldn't remember his past? He does remember, and I'm going to prove it. I don't have the fucking letter, but no, I'll prove it somehow. Some way, somehow. Alright, we're finally in court.
Court is now in session for the trial of Mr. Miles Edgeworth.
The defense is ready.
And I'll kill you.
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
The prosecution is ready.
Right. Very well. We have reached the final day of our proceedings in this trial. Yes, the prosecution submit decisive evidence.
For once in his life.
Understood.
Come on, don't be awed into silence by every little thing he says.
Mary had a little
Well,
lamb.
Mr. Von Karma, your opening statement.
Right. Thanks to Detective Gumshoe's efforts, the boat rental shop caretaker has been arrested. In yesterday's trial, the defense asserted that the caretaker was the murderer. I don't know if all that was taken.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, good. However, the caretaker has yet to confirm this. I would like to ask the defense to cross-examine him as much as necessary.
Wait, why?
Very well.
Why is he being so cooperative?
Because I've got all the evidence,
bring the
bitch.
witness into the courtroom.
It's like he stopped caring.
Ladies and gentlemen of the court, I believe you all remember this. He lives in the boat rental shop on the lake, from where he witnessed the incident. In addition, he has currently lost memory of his name and identity.
Witness, wake the fuck up. Why
Witness
did you run away
me!
yesterday?
Objection! The witness was not running away, as he will now testify.
Was there a need for the objection?
Yes.
I see, you fucking weirdo.
Shut up.
Very well, please begin your testimony. Huh? I'm not really sure. I'm really sorry about you leaving yesterday like that. I did. But I wasn't running away or nothing. I went to buy some food for Polly, see? I figured I got nothing to do with this incident anyhow. I mean, I need one of those motive things, right? And I don't got one. Capiche, motherfucker. It's frozen. So my testimony yesterday stands as is. Now back to Sleepy Bye. Very well then. Let's begin the cross-examination, shall we?
He has to know his name. Yanni Yogi. You're Yanni Yogi and I'm gonna fucking prove it.
Just
so help me
try
God.
it, bitch.
Bitches.
Show him the middle.
Show him your attorney's
I think
badge.
it's the Deal 6 case file, but I'm gonna press it anyway. I'll press.
Make a save.
You've lost much of your memory, is that correct?
Yep, seems like it.
Then how could you know that you didn't have anything to do with this incident? Or maybe you're lying about not having your memory, You know exactly who you are.
Objection. The witness has testified quite clearly that he has no memory of who he is. If you claim he's lying, then show the court proof. Wave's letter.
How am I supposed to prove what's going on in that old codger's head? That's impossible.
I'm glad you've come to your senses, Mr. Wright. Very well, witness, please continue.
I don't wanna.
I guess we present this. That's not gonna work. This is stuff we've already said, so I'm just gonna get penalized. Ow!
You got penalized.
Only 4 little exclamation marks left, Mr. Wright.
I don't get it. I'll press this. How can you say you had no motive? I say you do. You had a grudge against Edgeworth and the victim, Robert Hammond. That's why you took revenge on them, right?
Objection. Please don't make me repeat myself. This witness has no memory of anything beyond several years ago. He can't hold a grudge. That's impossible.
I have to prove
No
he's
one's-
lying about his memory.
No one's ever been able to summon him.
Otherwise, it's gonna be the same thing over and over until the trial ends.
Would I say something, Mr. Wright?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
You've been saying the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over. Judge.exe has stopped functioning. You've been calling the witness's memory of the past or lack thereof into question. But does this have anything to do with the current case.
Of course, Your Honor. The witness has said he has nothing to do with this case and no motive. Both of these statements are lies!
Rada.
Order! Mr. Wright, there's a serious problem with your claim.
There's a serious problem with your beard!
Oh, hell no, let's step outside, Mr. Wright. Fuck you. You and me. Let's go. One-on-one. Or are you saying... It's your chicken. You think you know who this witness is?
Of course, Your Honor.
Oh, now this is interesting. I would like to know myself. So, who is he?
Don't play
Lol,
dumb, Von
XD.
Karma.
Bravery is shiny Yoshi.
Damn, why is Von Karma not up there?
He is clearly Gregory Edgeworth.
Back from the dead?
This one. His name is Yanni Yogi, a former court bailiff.
Yogi, that name seems familiar. They got fired, that motherfucker.
It was the name of a bear.
Yanni Yogi from the DL6 incident?
I thought the judge would have heard of it. It was such a famous case.
But what does this mean?
Your Honor, if this man is Mr. Yogi, then he has a clear motive.
Objection. Jumping to conclusions again, Mr. Wright. This man, this witness, is Yanni Yogi. Fascinating. However, how do you propose to prove this to the court? This is a court of law, as you may need proof, evidence, or money. And allow me to repeat once more, the witness has lost his memory.
This is it. I have to do this now. If I can't prove he's Yogi right here, right now, then I got nowhere else to go.
Nick! How are you going to prove it? How can you prove that he is Yanni Yogi?
It's okay. It's actually quite simple. Your Honor, please take this man's fingerprints. Then we'll compare them to the fingerprints on file for Yanni Yogi 15 years ago.
I see, that makes sense. You're not all stupid.
Huh?
I'm so very, very sorry, Mr. Wright.
He clearly fucking isn't with that rape face. But
No, I'm real sorry.
why?
The witness has no fingerprints.
What? What? No fingerprints.
You see, before I worked at the kitchen, I worked at a chemical plant. I burned my fingers working with the staff.
What? Yogi, you sneak. You burned your fingerprints off to hide your past.
Oh, the witness has no fingerprints. I guess we will not be able to prove his identity.
No.
Well, what will you do, Mr. Wright? It seems that the case has been decided. No?
No. I know what happened. I know everything. I just can't prove it. But no, I can't let it end like this. I can't lose. There has to be another way.
There is no one who can testify as to who this witness is. No one.
Nick! What are we going to do?
I didn't even consider that he might have erased his fingerprints. What do I do?
Call Edward.
Well, Mr. Wright, perhaps you'd like to cross-examine the parrot for a little comic relief.
Yeah, very funny. You're a sore winner, Von Karma. Wait a second. Cross-examine the parrot?
What is it, Nick? No. You're not going to.
Your Honor! The defense would like to take Mr. Von Karma up on his proposal.
Oh, the best bit in the first game.
Take Mr. Von Karma up.
On his proposal.
Exactly, Your Honor. I would like to cross-examine the witness's pet parrot.
Run!
Order. I don't know. What do you think, Mr. Von Karma?
Need you even ask? This is a farce. I object.
Objection! Wait a second! You are the one who suggested I cross-examine the parrot, Von Karma. I have a right to do as you suggested.
Well, if you're so desperate, then please, be my guest,
Let the courtroom do the rest.
Of course, should you go through with this. And if nothing comes of it, then I hope you're ready for the consequence. A parrot in the courtroom.
Nick! This is crazy!
Well, still want to go through with your game?
Yes, I'm doing it. Let the parrot take the stand. I'll cross-examine her, Your Honor.
Gross.
This is the most...
That was the most suggestive thing I've heard Phoenix say.
This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
I love how you couldn't say it with a straight face, because like that was like, I know, Von Karma, I feel you, buddy. Von Karma's rigged every person's testimony, every piece of evidence, except the parrot. She's my last chance. At least, I think so.
Bailiff, bring in the parrot. Make sure there's shit on the way in.
It begins.
I get to be Manfred, I get to be Polly, and I get to be Maya. Maya is the only...
Maya's the
To
only
my
one.
voice. Maya's the only relief I get to my voice in this section.
Kite a bird. Please tell us your name. Name! No, this is ignoring me.
It must hurt to be ignored by a bird.
Very well, witness. Who is your owner? Please testify for us.
Jesus Christ.
Hello! Squawk!
Actually, the most concise testimony we've heard so far.
I get it. That is actually quite funny.
Very well, you're cross-examining.
Right.
What are you going to do, Nick?
Cross-examine the parrot. What do you think I'm doing?
Oh yeah, of course.
I don't know. What do we do, Maya? Let's see. Time to...
I guess we should try and get some information out of her. We need to show the judge that her owner is Mr. Yogi.
press. Witness, you can't just say hello and expect us to get anywhere. I want you to testify. Maya, you talk to her.
Right, what do I say?
I believe the trigger word for
What's
DL6
the
is have we forgotten something. Remember, 2 days ago.
Polly, have we forgotten something? Squawk! Don't forget the DL6! Squawk!
If I can get Polly to say that here, that'll prove that the caretaker had something to do with Deal 6.
Polly, have we forgotten something? Squawk! Hello! Squawk! That's not what you're supposed to say. Forgot something we forgot. Hello, hello. Quack. Uh-oh, it's not working, Nick. She won't say it.
This is ridiculous. Why won't she say it?
Something the matter, Mr. Wright? The parrot not speaking?
Don't tell me Von Karma expected this. He couldn't have retrained the parrot, could he?
Lol, joke's on you.
Did he train her not to respond when we asked if we'd forgotten anything? Oh shit, no, not that one. Here we go. I think it's over. I think I done fudged up.
You fucking stupid idiot. Frankly, I can't believe that you're speaking to the parrot.
What, well, I guess we should try to get some information out of her. I've already...
Okay, that's fine. I thought I was gonna get penalized for pressing that one. I've never pressed the 3 dots before. That was scary. Anyway,
I'm a parrot.
alright, next thing we wanted to say is, let's see, what's your name? Maybe I should get her to say her name?
Polly, what's your name? Polly.
Mr. Wright, I think we've established that this parrot is named Polly, you fucking idiot. So does it have anything to do with her owner's identity?
Of course! Yes, it does.
Ha! Fascinating. You claim that the parrot's name will prove her owner's identity.
That?
Then show us this proof.
Okay.
Loading.
Nick, don't you think you're taking the bluffing a little too far?
Listen, we're not here to answer the question of who is the caretaker. We're here to prove that he is Yanni Yogi. All we have to do is tie the name Polly to Yogi. Your Honor, the proof that the parrot's name reveals the caretaker identity is... Oh,
Is it?
1 second. I believe it's... suspect data.
Ah, fiance Polly Jenkins, I see.
The DL6 case file.
He's
Also,
recognized
don't
it.
fucking throw things at me, you fucking ass.
Objection! That's quite a large file, you
So suggestive.
all the better to beat you with in a game of court. Which page is the proof on, then? There we go. Show us or stop wasting our time.
Alright, well, Mr. Wright, please show us the...
I love that. That's a great way to pause.
In this file...
Suspect data. It's on the suspect data page. This page is all the information about Yanni Yogi. Right after he was arrested, his fiancée committed suicide, see?
It does say that, yes.
What was his fiancée's name?
Polly Jenkins. Polly.
Exactly, Your Honor. He remembered the name of his fiancée who committed suicide. That's why he named his parrot after her.
I see, I guess that is possible.
Objection! Bah, a mere coincidence, that's all. My granddaughter has a dog she calls Phoenix. Well, comma, Mr. Phoenix Wright, does this make you my granddaughter's fiancé?
Bitch, it may be.
She is only 7 years old.
Might want to reconsider that statement, Iffy.
Wait, what?
He's only 7.
Still. Indeed. Nerds of the week for evidence in a murder trial. We should need some other evidence.
Can't say corroborating. Where am I gonna find that?
Nick, we're getting closer. One more.
almost
We can
taste
just get one more piece of evidence.
Right, but what?
Very well, witness. You may continue.
Squawk, squawk. Squawk, squawk.
Let's get through this.
Ah.
What's the safe number? Here we go. Maybe I'll get her to say the number of that safe.
Huh? The safe? Why?
Let's just try to get her to say anything, okay?
Polly, what was the number of the safe in the shack? 1228, 1228.
Why, what a reckless parrot. Well, Mr. Wright, you're unclear that this number has anything to do with the caretaker.
Well, let's just check.
Isn't there a date?
Yeah, there's the date on the, in the DL6 thing.
Yeah, case summary.
Sure.
Actually, it does. Actually, it does. That's why I had her say it.
Ha! Ridiculous. How can the number to a safe tell us who the caretaker is? Show us your proof. Show me your moves. What could possibly link this number to the caretaker's true identity?
Well, Mr. Von Karma, Falcon Punch!
I wasn't expecting that. The DL6 case file. What is this obsession you have with that case?
Mr. Wright, for fuck's sake, stop throwing this file at us in the face.
But look at the case summary, goddammit, Your Honor!
The case summary, let's see here.
Specifically, the date on which the DL6 incident occurred.
The date of the incident is December 28th. Oh, that's today's date, 15 years ago.
And the number on that safe is 1228. He used the date of the DL6 incident as the number for his safe, Your Honor. That's how important that date was to him.
I see, it certainly is an interesting coincidence. Objection. No. People often just set their secret numbers to dates.
Objection.
There we go.
Ha! This is not tangible proof. I set my ATM's card number to 001. Wait, 0001. I forgot already. Because I'm number 1. do. This has nothing to do with a date. Nothing.
I mean...
Also, I just told you my PIN number. What the fuck is wrong with me?
At least it's, I guess we know how we're paying the rent this time around.
Maya, we can buy all the burgers now.
I mean, he watches Lazy Town, that's why.
That's enough. Think we've reached a conclusion here.
Wait, what?
This is a mere coincidence, that's all.
True, that is a possibility. However, two coincidences at the same time seems more like a pattern to me, Mr. Karma.
What are you saying?
Summon the caretaker of the boat shop. Immediately, Flilly.
Attack mode or defense mode?
Both. Witness, tell us your name.
Objection. Wait. This witness, he doesn't remember. No. Wait. I'm not saying anything.
No, it's okay.
His fucking face.
Oh shit, look at him.
I've accomplished what I wanted to do. I'm done.
I broke his legs, Tony.
Nick, he looks totally different.
This is the real Yogi, I think. Finally. He's been acting feeble to hide his true identity. Acting for 15 years.
Well, let me ask you again. Please state your name for the court. My name is motherfucker some shady. Yori. 15 years ago, I served as the bailiff in this very cool. I'm going back to this voice because I fucking like it.
Rada.
Order! Howdy, Yogi. Where's Mario? It was you who killed Robert Hammond and tried to frame Miles Edgeworth for his death. Yes, it was me. I did it. I broke his fucking legs, Tony. He put me on the witness stand 15 years ago. Robert Hammond, he said I was mentally unsound. He told me it would make me. He told me it would make me innocent, get me off the hook. So I pretended to have brain damage. I was innocent, really, but he didn't believe me. He won the trial and I lost everything. I lost my job, my fiance, my social standing, my fucking sanity. Then this year, 15 years ago later, a package arrived. There was a letter and a pistol. The plan was written out in careful detail. Break his fucking legs, Yogi. I don't care who had sent it. I was gonna break them fucking legs. I thought this was my chance after 15 years. This was it. Finally a chance to have my revenge on Robert Hammond and Miles fucking Edgeworth. Give myself a headache. No regrets. Wait a moment. Revenge against Miles Edgeworth? What do you mean? I'm not at liberty to speak on that matter, or else I'll be sleeping with the fishes, capiche? Why don't you ask Mr. Edgeworth yourself? Anyway, I admit to it, I was the one who killed Robert
I was the one who broke Robert Hammond's legs.
Don't call my words, Mr. Yogi.
Under arrest, Your Honor. I saw no room for error in his confession.
Then defendant Miles Edgeworth is
Innocent, in this case at least.
Very well. Will the defendant please take the stand?
Fucking goddammit.
There are a few mysteries left unsolved. But you are clear of suspicion of this particular case, you fucking bitch. So I would like to pass judgment on the murder of Mr. Robert Hammond. Any objections?
I don't believe it. Why isn't Von Karma saying anything?
Very well. This court finds the defendant Mr. Miles Edgeworth not guilty. That is all. The court is adjourned. Toodaloo, bitches.
Wait, are you
Objection!
that they're bitches, or are you telling them to go to the
Somebody
loo
just say
bitches?
objection.
It
To the
wasn't
loo, bitch.
Von Karma. Wait, but that means no. Edgeworth!
Your Honor,
Yo.
I object to your judgment.
The corner thieves playing.
What do you mean?
I'm not innocent at all. As we have heard, Yanni Yogi killed Robert Hammond in revenge. But revenge for what?
Nick!
Bitch slam.
Edgeworth is trying to confess. He's going to say he's guilty with orange text. It's real serious. He's going to tell them he was a murderer in DL6 incident. He's going to tell them he killed his own dad.
Uh-oh, what do I do? Raise an objection. I object. The judgment has already been passed. I object to Edgeworth's outburst.
Objection! Didn't something like this happen yesterday, too? I believe a certain witness raised an objection after a guilty verdict was passed.
That would be Larry.
We must hear this new statement. We must hear Miles Edgeworth.
He's right. We have a duty to hear Mr. Edgeworth out.
For 15 years, I have had a recurring dream. A nightmare. It's only a nightmare. That's what I told myself. But now I know it wasn't a dream. Yanni Yogi was not the killer.
You mean in the incident where your father died?
From the distance of the shot, it wasn't suicide either. Everything was as clear as day. The murderer, the criminal in the DL6 incident. It was me. Your Honor, I confess my guilt. I am guilty for DL6, the statute of limitations of which ends today. The culprit is me.
Why is he pointing outwards?
It looks like he's pointing
They
at
don't have a
Phoenix.
sprite.
It
that
does look like.
plays.
Order! Order! This certainly unexpected. Padawan. Defendant declared innocent and is confessing to a different crime. This is madness. The crime for which the statute of limitations runs out today. I'm not really sure how I should deal with this.
Ha! It's obvious. We hold a trial right here, right now. We try this man for his crime of 15 years ago.
I think I would like to take a 5-minute recess.
No.
Hey?
During this time I will... I can't see that one, sir. During this time I will consider the appropriate course of action to take.
Okay.
Court is adjourned. Toodaloo, bitches!
The Lou bitches. The finest of all bitches.
I'm sorry, Wright. I've just wasted all your effort.
Mr. Edgeworth, pal. I just don't believe it, pal. I mean, you killed your dad.
I didn't want to believe it myself, Detective. But it's the truth. I deserve to be punished. Murder is murder no matter what the circumstances are.
Yes, hit me, daddy. I mean, what? This is crazy. Just crazy.
Nick? What are you doing?
Huh? Oh. I was just reading through the court record once more. I'm getting my case ready.
Your case? For what?
Huh? Isn't it obvious? I'm gonna prove that Miles Edgeworth is innocent.
Wow, so casual. What are you talking about, pal? He just admitted to it. He confessed that he did it in court.
I'm sorry, Edgeworth, but I don't believe your nightmare. What? It's just a dream. It's not real. Truth is right here, in this court record. In any case, tighten your belts. The real fight is just beginning. I'll prove you're innocent.
First of balls. Like tightening your balls.
Buckle your pants! Buckle your pants!
Hold on to your nads. I'll prove you're innocent. Trust me. Right. We'll continue this next time on Phoenix Wright, Casual Attorney.
Just before you, that judge lied. They took a 6-minute recess.